Most fitness trackers get caught on gear and scratched to pieces the second you take them into serious terrain. I rely heavily on my gear as I head into the backcountry, whether that's hiking, camping, or backpacking, but tracking fitness and recovery has always been a massive headache. Traditional smartwatches have always gotten snagged on trekking poles, climbing gear, and the battery rarely survives a multi-day trek. That's why I've completely transitioned to a smart ring. Today we're going to take a look at the Oura Ring 4, break it down, and look at the one accessory that it's going to keep it going for weeks while you're off the grid. The biggest upgrade for outdoor use is the fully titanium build. The interior is no longer plastic, it's incredibly lightweight but handles getting knocked against rocks, trekking poles, and camera rigs without skipping a beat. They also completely redesigned the interior. The sensor bumps are now recessed and practically flush. If you're gripping heavy gear or a steering wheel for hours, those old bulky sensors used to dig into your fingers. Now you completely forget you're even wearing it. The tracking is phenomenal. The new smart sensing technology automatically picks up my hikes and adjusts to how the ring rotates on my finger. You get perfectly accurate heart rate and recovery data without having to manually start a workout. The app interface is exactly what you need when planning your next move. It translates all of your nighttime and activity data into a simple daily readiness score, so I know exactly how recovered my body is before tackling a difficult trail. It's incredibly clean, easy to read, and keeps you focused on your overall performance trends instead of overwhelming you with raw and confusing numbers. Oura claims up to 8 days of battery life. In my actual experience, if you leave continuous activity, heart rate, and blood oxygen sensing turned on, you get a highly reliable 4, 5, maybe 6 days. When you pair it with the official travel case, you can easily go off-grid for a month. If you travel with your ring, you might have already realized the standard charging puck is pretty fragile. Upgrading to this aluminum travel case completely changed how I use my ring. The build quality is a massive step up. It's made from a highly durable recycled aluminum, so you can toss it into your backpack or gear bag without worrying about anything snapping. One crucial thing you need to know before buying is that these are size specific. You have to order your exact size that matches your ring. Because of this, it's an incredibly tight fit. It will not wiggle loose in your bag, but it requires perfect alignment to actually start charging. There is a slight trade-off to mention. I noticed that it charges the ring slower than the original dock does. You are sacrificing a bit of charging speed for the convenience and protection of the case. But for me, the battery capacity makes up for the speed. The case itself holds up to 5 full charges for the ring. That gives you weeks of tracking data without ever needing to hunt down a wall outlet on a trip. If you're willing to deal with the snug fit and the slightly slower charging time, this case is an absolute necessity for anyone who takes their ring off-grid or on long trips. It's rugged, accurate, and completely gets out of your way so you can just focus on the trail. The entire setup completely changes how you handle health tracking while out in the field. The ring stays out of your way while gathering accurate data. The app tells you exactly how your recovery is looking for your next big push. And the aluminum case guarantees you never run out of power or have to worry about a broken charger. I've linked both the ring and the charger in the description, so if you want to upgrade your kit, you can take a look. Let me know what you use in the comments for your own health tracking out in the field. Thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.